Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back with another video. Today I'm here with MrWaheedulHaque. Today we're going to be talking about the seat controls on the BMW F30 3 Series. Okay, so this is actually a really good seat. The M Sport one is anyway. You have a lot of controls. So here, where's this one? Okay, so this controls this bit here. Can you see? That needs a good clean. That. So that's for your leg resting. This one moves it forward and backwards, I believe. Or does it? Push it forward.
I think I've sitting in the seat.
Okay.
Oh wait, no, it doesn't.
Is that for the rocking? Wait.
So the seat one.
Oh, C1's on that side, isn't it? Yeah. That's what I was thinking. Yeah. So C1's right in the corner.
Yeah.
This one's for rocking it back and forward, I think. Yeah, let's find out right now. So, yeah, this one rocks it back and forward. Can you see?
Sick.
Oh wait, you record it. Just don't get me. Can you see? There's a pickup on cover.
Yeah.
Can you see? So that's how you want it, like that.
So do that again.
Okay.
You can see where it is. Cool.
Okay. Next one. I guess so. What's the next thing? Next thing along is this one. So this adjusts your bolsters, so how tight you want it. So I don't know if you'll be able to see on camera. But I can see it moving visually. On camera you might not be able to see it. Oh yeah, let's see. Can you see it moving a tiny bit? So these is how tight or loose you want this bit to hug you. So that's what that controls. This one controls, I think it's the height, yeah, so that's for the backrest, so you control it, you push it back to where you want it, yeah, and this one's for your height. So with that, pull it up and you go to the highest,
push it down,
and then if you sit on it, if you sit on it, it goes down in it, and you let go of it and it'll set itself. So that's all the seat controls, I believe. Yeah, that's all the seat controls. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new. Stay tuned for loads more tips and tricks. Goodbye guys.